This is NBC5 News.
We begin tonight with a developing story in Dallas. A jury has awarded millions of dollars in damages to the family of a former student at the Episcopal School of Dallas.
The school was ordered to pay the family a total of $9.3 million for the way ESD handled a sexual relationship between the then teenage student and one of her teachers. NBC5 Susy Solis was in the courtroom today when the judgment was read. Susy, did the size of the award surprise anyone?
Well, it sure didn't surprise Charla Aldous. She's the attorney for the family, and she said she was hoping that the jury would send a message to the school about how they treated Jane Doe after the relationship was discovered. Meanwhile, all the attorneys on the other side and representatives from the school say it wasn't a fair trial.
I've won for Jane, but I'm not sure that I've won for the next victim.
A victory for the family of a former Episcopal School of Dallas student. The parents sued the school for failing to protect their then 16-year-old daughter from a sexual relationship with her teacher, Nathan Campbell. The school then forced the student to withdraw.
I think the jury heard the case. I think they sent a message loud and clear that our community will not tolerate a school treating a sexual abuse victim like ESD treated Jane Doe.
The jury found that ESD was not liable for failing to prevent the relationship between the student and the teacher, but the jury of 6 women found that the school was grossly negligent in the way it handled the incident after the relationship was discovered.
The jury found negligence, gross negligence, fraud, breach of fiduciary duty, and so obviously my clients feel very vindicated.
ESD was largely found not to be liable for the sexual relationship. This verdict was leaning towards the separation of the girl from the school and not the sexual relationship.
But the ESD board chairman said the school didn't get a fair shot in trial.
The verdict was wrong, and it's unfortunate that ESD never got the opportunity to put on their case. The rulings from the bench did not allow that.
Attorney for the family, Charla Aldous, was congratulated after the verdict was read and also by the victim she was fighting for.
Lots of crying on the phone, and she said, "You did it, you did it." And I said, "Oh no, you did it."
Was it worth it to her?
Absolutely.
And Jane Doe did not come to the trial. She is in college out of state. Meanwhile, attorneys for the Episcopal School of Dallas are disputing the $9.3 million that were awarded. They say the jury only awarded the family $5.7 million. And attorneys for the Episcopal School of Dallas say they do plan to appeal this ruling. Reporting live in Dallas, Susy Solis, NBC5.
Thanks, Susie.